What's the meaning of clock tower? Clock tower. Clock tower.
Clock tower. Clock tower. A clock tower is a structure that houses a clock and often serves as a focal point for a town or city. It can be freestanding or a part of a larger building, such as a church, municipal building, or university. Clock towers were originally built for practical purposes, such as telling time for the community, but they have become iconic landmarks that symbolize the heritage and culture of a place. Today, many clock towers also serve as tourist attractions, providing scenic views and historical context for visitors.